inside your Chromebook with me as we learn all about Schoology. First, click on your Schoology app in Clever. Then go to Courses to take you to our course. You can also click on Grades throughout the year to see how you're doing.
The course dashboard enables you to view all your courses as a tiled list. From the course dashboard, click any one of your courses and go directly to its main landing page. You can also click and drag course tiles to reorder them. Notifications display course events in chronological order. New notifications are indicated by a number on the bell icon. Clicking on a notification or request will allow you to view the related content. To turn in an assignment from your Chromebook, you can click the assignment you would like to turn in, click Submit Assignment in the top right column.